What's up, everybody? Time update. It's now 9:40, and between the last video and now, I've decided that I'm hungry, and so I am sauteing some veggies. Got some mushrooms and some orange and red peppers and onion and, oh, I forgot garlic, but I need to throw that in there too, and I got some celery simmering, so I'll go back to that in a moment. But for now, let's find these zeros and the domain of this function. Well, what does that mean? Well, that means we need to factor this bad little thingy. So, 4 terms, similar terms in each. Look, 3 and a 15, 3 and a 15. Let's try factoring by grouping. So let's look at those first 2 terms. 3x cubed plus 15x squared. What can we pull out of both of them? Well, we can certainly pull out, we can certainly pull out a 3. We can also pull out an x squared. What is left behind? Well, 3x squared times what is 3x cubed? X. And 3x squared times what is 15x squared? 5. There you go. Check it. It's right there. What can we pull out of these next terms? Well, we can pull out a minus 3. What are we left with? We're left with x. If you pull a minus 3 out of a minus 15, you're left with a positive 5. Next step, notice that both of these have an x plus 5, which means we're going to pull that out. So, x plus 5 pulled out. What's left in this first term? Well, a 3x squared. What's left in this second term when we pull x plus 5 out? Minus 3. So there you go. That has now been factored by grouping. But let's keep on going. From this term, we can pull out a 3. So we'll pull it out front. We're left with x plus 5 times x squared minus 1. Why do we like that? We like that because x squared minus 1 is a difference of squares. And so this becomes 3 times x plus 5 times x plus 1 times x minus 1. And so we know these zeros will be x equals negative 5, x equals negative 1, and x equals positive 1 right there. That set of numbers. What is this domain? Well, this domain is just going to be x in R. All real numbers. We're not dealing with any fractions or anything like that, any square roots, so there's no reason we can't put any x value that we want into this function. So I'm going to go check on my veggies, chop up some garlic, and I'll be back in a minute.